Water can boil and freeze at the same time, and yes, it happens right before your eyes when supercooled. In a cold, clean bottle, pure water can drop below 0 degrees C without freezing, then a tap sends bubbles and it boils. It's like a concert that starts playing a new song the moment you nudge the door, despite the cold silence. The trick relies on removing impurities and avoiding ice crystals, a tiny physics prank that challenges our everyday intuition. If ordinary water can break its rules, imagine what other hidden limits still wait to be discovered by curious minds.